Hi, I've made this video just for you because I want you to think about the information that I'm going to be giving to you. So I want you to think about joining us in the month of October. We are going to be doing an emotional reset challenge together. It's a protocol of 6 oil blends that will help our emotions be more balanced. And who doesn't need that? What's interesting is research has shown you can even inherit emotions from your family in your DNA. So we want to be the most balanced, the best that we can be, and these 6 oils can help us. So 99% of the decisions that we make in our life are because of our emotions. So we want those emotions to be balanced. We don't want them to be out of kilter. And this is what this protocol is all about. It's 30 days, and you use these 6 oils in a way I'm going to explain to you. It's for something else, research they have done. I want to share this with you first. In New York University, that the only way that your brain can release stored trauma is through the smell. So these oils can help us to release some of the really not so nice things that may have happened in our past or that we're holding on to, because your body holds on to things and the goal is just getting rid of it. So that's what these 6 oils are going to help us do. This is called the Feelings Kit. It's these 6 blends by Young Living. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what this is and why you might think this is good or important for you. So the first oil that you're going to use is Valor, and you're going to put it on the bottom of your feet. Valor. This is sweet and spicy. So this is the oil that you usually start with the protocols. Then the next oil you're going to use is Harmony. Harmony is sacred sandalwood in here. There's angelica in here. There's hyssop in here. And Harmony, we're just going to put it on our heart and the back of our neck. We want to get this into our system to start helping things be more balanced. The next oil that we're going to use is Forgiveness. Now, Forgiveness has Melissa oil in here. Melissa oil is a $200 oil. This is such a beautiful blend. That's just one of the oils in here, but this is such a beautiful blend. You're going to put this on your navel, your belly button. And this is really to help us forgive others, but to forgive ourselves and to go on. So forgiveness, this is for the belly button. You have that ganglion of nerves right above your belly button, so it's getting right into where it will be used. Next comes Inner Child. Inner Child is here. Inner Child helps us be more creative. It helps us deal with what might have happened in our past so that we can go on. This has orange, tangerine, jasmine in here. Neroli's in here, a very pricey oil. This one you're going to just put right under your nose. So, Inner Child. The next oil that you're going to use is Present Time. Present Time is going to go behind your ears, and where else are we putting that? Oh, on our wrists. So present time is that you don't live in the past or you don't live in the future. This is helping us to be present where we are right now and deal with what we need to deal with right now. This has neroli in it. Also, it has black spruce in here. So we want to be productive with our life. We have to be here. We have to be present now to be able to be productive people. So present time, that's really what that's for. And last but not least, there's Release Oil. So Release Oil is for the liver. You put it in the front of the liver and the back of the liver. This helps you with anger and hurt. And we just, it has ylang-ylang in it, it has geranium in it, it has lavender. So sometimes toxins just get trapped in our system. So this protocol of oils done every day, October 1st through October 30th, we are going to feel better. But to make sure we feel better, number one, I'm going to send you a list of what to do so you don't forget when you join this challenge with me, and I'm going to send you a little notebook. So what I want you to do inside of that notebook is I want you to write down what you're feeling, one page for each day. Write what you're feeling. Are you feeling up? Are you feeling down? What are you going through? What are your thoughts? What are your emotions? If you're just having a super rush day, just write, today I'm up, today I'm down. This is what I'm dealing with. Just so you can look back and see how you felt. But each day for 30 days, I want you to just use this notebook I'm going to send you for this challenge. All right, I hope you guys all join us. They're kind of pricey. The oils are $203, but maybe you could find a friend and split the oils with them. So each of you has half a bottle, so each of you can do this protocol with us. And just see how you feel. Hopefully you feel fantastic, but this is our team challenge for October. The problem is we just have to get it now. We want to get it before the 15th so everybody has it to start on October 1st. Thanks for listening and let me know what you think.